What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for Amazon Flex delivery job in Canada. So if you're wondering how to exactly apply for a job here in Amazon Flex, specifically in Canada, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to know and you need to do in order for you to start or to get started with your application. So first things first is we want to know what are the requirements that you need to fulfill or you need to have in order for you to apply successfully. So first things first, by the way, this is directly from Amazon Flex Canada. So according to their website, you need to be at least in a area where Amazon Flex actually operates. Now there are different cities Amazon Flex operates. So in this case, you can go and just view the following locations here, as you can see right now. Now, in this case, you should also be at least 19 years old or older to be a delivery partner. And also you need to have a valid Canada driver's license, and you have a mid-size to a large vehicle, which in this case requires a 4-door mid-size sedan or larger vehicle here. And also you need to have an iPhone or an Android device here for cheaper options. So Android is a lot cheaper if you're going to ask me, but if you have an iPhone, that is good as well. Now, you should also pass a background check here in order for you to basically get or start working with Amazon Flex here. Now, in order for you to get started here, you need to download the app. So again, this is from flex.amazon.ca, Canada's Amazon Flex website. Let's go and click on download the app to get started here. And from here, what you could try doing is you want to go and either click on the appropriate device here, either iPhone or Android. So go ahead and click on View Google Play QR code here, scan the QR code, and once you've scanned this, install the Amazon Flex app and just follow the on-screen steps that you'll be needing to fill up in order for you to submit your application. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.